Hola, soy Josué Forever. Un nuevo proyecto. Chale. ¿Qué piensas? Un nuevo proyecto. ¿Qué soy? Estás solo practicando. Solo es para practicar. No había más que hacer esto. Un bizarro no pudo venir. Y necesito pintar. Alright. Necesito vender este cuadro mañana mismo. Necesito comprar pañales, toallas húmedas. No es broma. That's the fucking truth. Oh yeah, maybe if I speak English, I don't think. So I don't want to think. No. I don't want to think. I just want to blink. I just want to blink. But I don't want to think. I don't really want to think. I just want to blink. Yeah, baby. That's the right way. I don't know if this is correct, but I am going to speak in English in Mexico City. No, Mexico City, in Torreon, Coahuila, yeah. My city, my place. No, my city, yeah. Yeah. I'm so fucking glad that I'm here. That's the fucking truth. I'm sorry for the wrong words, but I'm just, you know me. You know me. That's true. You know me. You know that's true. Yeah. Because I don't want to think. I wish I could do this right. I don't know what to say, but I don't want to think. I'm just showing how to paint. Yeah. Not how to paint because I never learned, but I'm doing it. Yeah, can make it right. Are you serious? Right. Right. Really? Are you serious? Are you really? You do it? Not do it. Yeah. I'ma do it. Bitch, I'ma do it. Come on, bitch. I'ma do it. Yeah. I can see. I'm banging at the same time. Give me dark skin. Give me dark skin. Come on. I won't lie. I changing, in evolution. I don't want to think. I just want to blame, blame. I want to think. I just want to think. I just want to think. I don't want to think. I just want to think. I don't want to think. Oh, that's right. Paradoja, loco. But I don't want to think. Whatever. Anyways, maybe if I don't talk, that could be better. Maybe. Yeah, I'm showing this. I don't need to talk. I don't need to go to hug. That's this good technology. This is the old painting. No, old. This is so old. I am so old. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm old because I'm shy inside. Que, pues, ya no debo hablar así. Estoy cambiando. Tengo que mejorar mi manera de hablar. Tengo que evolucionar. Because I don't want to think. I just want to make it. Why to evolution? Why to know evolution? Why? Yeah, make a good production. Yeah. Maybe you better think, but I don't want to think. Soy Josué forever. I choose to do this. I was. Oh, the foggy place. I used to do this. I was so scary, but I was there. Yeah, I was there. This is only a song. What could it be true? All close in my room. Oh, shit. I don't want to think. I just wanna paint. 'Cause I feel free wherever I am. Yes, and that is true. That's fucking true. That is true. That is fucking true. That is so fucking true. Josué forever. I'm crazy. I don't think. Maybe tomorrow I'll do it. Maybe tomorrow I'll do it. But I don't know. I can't do this. Yeah. I feel this is a good picture toast. Oh, porque no me bizarro. I'm just showing this. I don't need to talk. Okay? I'm just saying whatever. I am not Abraham Rubalcaba, alright? I am Josué Forever. That's different. Es un personaje. No mal entiendas nada. You're crazy or what? Like an actor, like a comedian. But I don't want to make jokes. I just want to paint this, yeah, or whatever. Maybe this. That's mine. This This is mine, and it's not finished yet. Do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it later. 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 Okay. Hola. Está todo lo demás. I just want to paint. I don't want to think. This reality, everything is possible. Maybe God is helping me. Oh yeah, I can feel it. I feel it. That's true. So you better be scared. You better be scared. Because he will send angels. If you are afraid, I am so fucking afraid of God. Because, yeah, he's love, but you better make it right. But you better make it right, man. There's no other way. There's another chance. There's no other way. There are a lot of chances. No, I am not perfect. Nobody's perfect. Are you perfect? Then throw the stone. And throw the rock. You better rock your body. Rock. Yeah. Your body. Yeah. Yeah. You better rock it. You better rock it. You better rock it like Rocky Raccoon. Alright. 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 Yeah, yeah. Alright. 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 Yeah, yeah. Alright. Alright. It's because I always, when I'm painting, I'm como hablando entre dientes. I don't know how to say it in English. I always do this. I just want to show my painting. I don't want to talk. I don't need to fucking talk. I don't need to fucking talk. I'm just showing this. I am not a speaker. I'm a painter, not a speaker, okay? I don't want to talk. I don't need to talk. I don't like to talk much, that much. But I like to paint. It makes me happy. And I don't really care what you think of me. Of me. Whatever talk. You are afraid? Are you afraid? You afraid, bro? You afraid? Let's tell the truth. What is the truth? You afraid? Are you afraid? God damn it. I think I am. Decidí después de todo hacerlo con acrílicos. O se va a secar más rápido, necesito el dinero mañana. Pero le voy a aplicar un sellador. Que it's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. It's really fucking nice. I am nice. But whatever. Anyways. Peace and love. This is a personaje, okay? This is not the real me. But you prefer this, right? You prefer forever. I knew it. Fuck, 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 fuck. La regué aquí. Fuck. God damn it. God damn it. ¿Cómo la regué otra vez? No, ya no puedo regar más. This is the last time. Because I'm too old. I am 24. I'm 24 years old. I am 24 years old. 24 years old. God, help me, please. Please help me. Help me. Oh my God. It's true. So far. It's true. don't care. I don't really 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 care. I don't. I don't. I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't really care. I really care. Care. I don't really beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? You want a milkshake? Would you like a milkshake? I mean, it could be strawberry milkshake. Wait for the end. All right. I'm ready. ¿Qué? ¿Qué, mamá? ¿Qué pasó?
Pues con lentes trabajando.
Sí,
¿Por qué con lentes?
ya terminé.
Ay,
¿Cómo?
no me echar a reír.
Ah, porque estoy grabando para YouTube. Por eso nada más.
Ah, ya.
Y es mi personaje.
Ah,
Josué Forever.
tu papá necesita el Chromecast.
¿Yo no lo tengo?
¿No lo tienes?
No. Préstame el aerosol.
Tu papá
mamá.
que lo quitaron de ahí.
Préstame el aerosol. Por favor. Mira
¿Para
cómo
qué?
ando. Porque ya lo voy a
Pero
aplicar.
ahorita no se lo pongas.
¿Cómo que para qué? Estoy pintando.
Pero
Pero
está
tengo que
muy
poner-
fresco todavía.
Pero préstamelo, ya va a secar. Es que es acrílico. Ya está por secar. Bueno, ya lo acabé, después aplico el sellador. En fin, ¿está chido? ¿O qué crees? Falta algo. Falta alguito. Entonces...
Aquí está, pero verás otra vez para guardártelo.
Sí. ¿Ahí me lo vas a poner? Gracias,
Está
mamá.
grabando.
Gracias,
Ay,
mamá.
no sé. ¿Por qué no me pones a mí?
No, que creo que puse muy grande la firma. Un poco grande la firma.